Hello everyone, come and join me for a quick walk in the famous Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. I'm Michelle and I'm living in Australia. Came to San Francisco for the weekend and visited the famous Pier 39 of San Francisco. Quick trivia, so a long time ago during the California Gold Rush, the Chinese immigrants came here and fished and sold their seafood. Then the Italian immigrants came and make a living out of catching seafood as well. So it became known as a place where you would go drop a line and you would catch fish and then you sell it later in the day. Then I stopped by for lunch because I was hungry and I got the famous seafood chowder. This is my view from the restaurant overlooking the Fisherman's Wharf. So after my lunch, I went down to the wharf and tried to check out the sea lions. Pier 39 now is famous for watching the sea lions. Most of the time, all of these boats are filled with sea lions on top and they're quite noisy and so cute. And also, it is famous for several restaurants around the area. You can also shop for clothes. There are mostly singing bands as well, and some bars. And it's a really cool place to check it out. Thank you for watching, and you're welcome. Please click like and follow for more videos.